Class 5. This is the third part of the chapter Nauchandi Carnival, and we have come to know in this chapter that Mr. Puranlal was in charge of Nauchandi Carnival, and he was organizing everything perfectly. He organized also in perfect manner, and all his family members were also very proud of him, and they were supporting him. And not only Puranlal, his all staff members, they were working very hard to make success for the Nauchandi Carnival. And everything was going on perfectly. On the day of sixth day, that means what can I say? That means big film stars and musicians would come, and that time there was a peril had come. What was that? A fire broke out. Okay, and the fire broke out because of the short circuit. And because of the short circuit, when the fire broke out, so all of the people, they were in a pandemonium situation. So what is the pandemonium situation? Pandemonium means here that the people were restless. They were going from one place to another in search of shelter. They could not understand that what to do and what not. So all the members, they were restless. Okay, that means all the people who came to Nauchandi Carnival, they were very much restless. Now, I am going to start from page number 33. So please take out page number 30. Take out the book and turn to page number 33. The security people rush forward to save the film artist and musicians on the stage. So obviously the security people who were there, they first went to the musicians and the film artist for rescuing them. Most of the people sitting towards the back could run out, but the people in the front seat were held up. So you can understand, if you have ever gone to a cinema hall or a stage like that, a theater like that, so you can understand that people, they are sitting in some such a way that the people who are sitting in the front, they can come out at the last. Those who are sitting at the last, they can come out at the first. So the people who are sitting at the last row, they could able to make themselves free. So they came out from that pandemonium situation. They came out from the door and they could able to rescue themselves. But those who were at the first row, they could not able to come out, because they were if they wanted to come out, so they had to that means they had to cross the people who were sitting at the first. So for that reason they were stuck. So what happened now? See, Puranlal jumped from his seat and put himself in the rescue service. So Puranlal, who was there, he jumped into that, and he tried to help. He tried to rescue the people, okay, who were at the first row. Not caring for his family, he monitored the movement of the people trapped in the front rows. He did not care also for his family. He was only thinking about the people who were at the first row. He was only thinking about his responsibility. He was not at all he was not trained. He was just an ordinary organizer. He did not have any sense of rescue operation, but he jumped into it. Why? Because he had the sense of responsibility. He was thinking it was his responsibility to save the people, because he was there, he organized that. Okay, so he jumped into that problem and he did not think about his own family. Okay, he just jumped in. Not caring for his family, he monitored the movement of the people trapped in the front rows. As the fire spread, the place was filled up with smoke and it became difficult to breathe. So that pandemonium situation was going on. People were stuck and they could not able to come out of the place, and they were actually they were stuck in that place. They could not able to come out. And suddenly what happened, after some time when the fire broke out, so obviously there would be the smoke. So because of the smoke, the people, they could not able to breathe also. As they could not able to breathe, so they had the problem. Now what happened, the lights had also been shut out. So because of the short circuit, the light also gone. Fighting against all odds, Puran Lal continued to pull out people till he finally fell down coughing. So he was trying his best and he was doing his best also. He did whatever he wanted, whatever he could do, and finally he did not able to continue with that all this, and he was coughing and he fell down. He was brought out by the firefighting squad which had arrived in time. So luckily firefighting, that means squad, the people, they have come in time, and he was rescued, Mr. Puran Lal. After receiving first aid, Puran Lal opened his eyes and was happy to see his family standing safely around him. So what happened? So Mr. Puran Lal, at the last, he opened his eye. In the hospital, he got some first aid, and then he opened his eyes, and he was very happy to see his family was also there around him, and he was very what can I say, satisfied by seeing them. His family was safe. Children, courage and concern for others made Puran Lal bold enough to save the people from danger. So now what is the main point of the chapter? The chapter main purpose is that to make you understand that the sense of responsibility. The sense of responsibility what Mr. Puran Lal had, and because of that he plunged into the danger. Though he did not have a single sense of rescue or operation, though he went there. Because why? Because he had the sense of responsibility. Puran Lal was the chief organizer of the carnival. Although he was not trained in the firefighting skills, but it was the sense of responsibility that gave him the courage to rescue the people. He was the organizer, he was the chief organizer, so he was thinking that it was his responsibility to save all the people, and what he did also. So here we can understand the sense of responsibility is very, very important for all the human beings. Okay? And as Mr. Puran Lal was having the sense of responsibility, so he plunged into danger, though he was rescued also, and he was happily reunited with his family members.